Hiya, how you doing? Are you doing something fun today? Well, let's do something fun together. Like, open the latest Sophie and Toffee box. Yay! I know exactly what's in this one, and I've been so waiting for it. Here we go. Yay! Crystal Druzy box. Yeah, let's have a quick look. Ooh. Yeah, loads of molds in this one. Loads and loads. I am so looking forward to this box. Oh, and look, here's the winners from the last competition, from the fairy box one by the looks of it. That looks wicked. I love that. Well done, everyone who won. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's all wrapped up. How do you get into it? Wrapping these up well. Love the tissue paper though. Right, so what do we have? We have cloud mold. That's going to be awesome for so many things. You can make it, you can do it whole, which I think is what they are suggesting, but I want to make it with a cavity and see how I do that. Yeah, I'm going to have a go at that. Got a little one here with crescent moons, drips and all sorts. We've got the house. Oh, that's going to be brilliant for my miniatures. I like that. We've got some fine elastic by the looks. Let's have a look at that. I've got tons of this stuff if it is. Yeah, it's really fine. Not elastic, like fishing line, that type of thing. Okay, we've got some. Let me have a proper look at this, because I think oh, my eyesight is really bad today. Can we see it? Can we see it? You can't see it on camera, but it is it's a die, so you need like the tiniest little dot of this. Don't put this in as you would your normal inks, because this is highly concentrated and it really is strong. Just to be warned if you get in this box. You can also, it's also the type of one that you can I believe once your piece is set, you can then dip it into it for the colour. You can even water it down, I believe. Yeah, so oh, look, these are different inserts. So if you've got a star mould, you can put this into the bottom of it and then put your resin over it, and it'll leave all these gorgeous crystals once you've taken everything out. That is awesome. Do you know what that would make? A beautiful ring. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to find yeah, definitely gonna have to find a mold that'll fit in, but I think I have one actually. That's gonna be awesome. That might be one of the, and even those, and you can make earrings, and yeah, it's wicked. Oh, I love these inserts. These are awesome. And the moon. Stunning. There's so much you can do with this. I'm so chuffed with this. And this is another insert that you can put into, well, a coaster mould or anything really. You can even make your own. I won't get it out because it's stuck. In fact, I will, so I don't, because I'll be using it. So sorry about the crinkling. But yeah, you sit that into a coaster mould, and then pour your resin on, your colours, whatever. And then when you demould it, you then have to peel that out, and it, yeah, leaves all the crystal shiny bits. You can see it all shining, look. And that's the effect it leaves in your resin. Awesome. I love it. And these would be so expensive. I don't know if you've seen the Druzy rolls, but they're going really expensive. Ridiculously expensive people are selling these for. And I don't know why, because they can't be that difficult to make. Let me just take this out as well. And then this one, obviously it's not inserts, it's an actual full mould that you can, you know, pour your stuff into. And oh, there's some wicked shapes in there. I love it. Look. There we go. There's a ring shape. Even a smaller one, look. Oh, I love these. These are going to be awesome. Yeah. And then you've got your really big one, which I'm not going to take out because that's going to take me forever. Yeah. And then you've got your big one. I mean, that is going to be stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love the look of that. And then we've got 3:1 resin, which you all know I love. And I will be using this one this time, but yeah. I'll be using this one for this mould, because this, with all the little holes in that this is going to be making, you're going to be best off with 3:1 resin for the way it pops the bubbles so easily, and they're not going to get all trapped in here. So yeah, that's going to be the best bet. What else have we got? Oh, gorgeous glitter, a nice big pot of it as well. That'll last you a while. And then we've got a ladder. The ladder up to the rainbow, up to the cloud, and yeah. I'm not sure I'll be using this. I might, I don't know, use it in a different thingy or use it for something else, but I know where they're coming from. I'm not sure I'm going to do the project that they're showing us on the book, but I'm going to do lots of little different projects. And yeah, it should be good fun. This is awesome. Okay. If you've enjoyed the video, please subscribe. And that's everything. But before I go, the next time you decide you don't like the way someone looks, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind. The results might just surprise you. Thanks for watching.